Alright, so if you're wondering if the range on this Inkbird 4-probe wireless digital thermometer is any good, check this out. Alright, this thing is so cool. You can download the app on your phone, and you can see here, you can just click into it. And if you've got it connected to the Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter where you are, you can read your probes and temperature. So you can put a brisket on for dinner and then come out in the middle of the lake and fish and still see how your food is cooking. Now this does come with 4 probes. When they are in this, they are charging. You can charge the whole thing by USB-C port on the side. It also comes with just an on-off switch on the side. You can use this with the phone app or without the phone app. Now using it without the phone app, you just can use it kind of like a Bluetooth or local. You just have the little box sitting near your grill. You have your probes in, and then each probe will read the temperature. Probe 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the box itself. Now we are using 2 probes for the same piece of meat because one has a skinny end and one has a fatter, thicker end. But this 4 probe would be perfect if you are cooking steaks, maybe for a family who doesn't like their steaks all cooked the same way. So you want one that is going to be cooked rare and one medium well, something like that. You could stick a probe in each person's steak and make sure that each person has their perfectly cooked steak. Or if you're cooking different kind of meat like chicken and a brisket or something like that, you can measure each one at a different cooking temperature. All right, the app itself, when you go into it, you can see your different probe temperatures. Right now we have one on the skinny end and one on the fat end. But you can see down here, it even graphs your cooking temperatures, and you can kind of see one was lower than the other until they just kind of both caught up to each other. You can also click into each probe. You can set a cooking temperature target. The alarm will sound. Right now, the internal temperature for this probe 1 is measuring at 158 Fahrenheit, but you can also see the ambient temperature around it. And if you do set a target, your target will show right there. And of course, you can set it to alert you or sound an alarm when you hit your target so that you don't really have to pay attention to what the temperature is. You can also click over to the trend chart and again, see it charted in like a line graph for you. Now right now we are not using the 3rd and 4th probe. You can see they are in the thing fully charging, but if you click into it, let me just kind of show what you can do. Other settings, you can do a timing countdown method, or you can go in and select like favorites or anything. Or if you don't know what temperature you want to cook your food, you can go into that 3rd option there, and then you can choose what kind of a food you want to cook. So say we're cooking chicken, it's going to tell you the perfect internal temperature that chicken should be. So you can leave that if you want it well done. But if you want to go into something like beef where people want it rare, medium rare, you can choose a setting and it will select the perfect temperature for you. And then you can just hit start cooking, and then it will alert you when your food gets to that perfect temperature based on what you want it to be. All in all, these wireless thermometers have been perfect for what we needed them for. Highly recommend.